She did. I don't know. Life just has become like way more easier by doing that. And we purchased the RV cash, so we don't have any payments or anything like that. We are currently living in a RV park until we can get some land and put the RV there, and we're gonna build a tiny home. So yeah, that's a little background of what's been going on. But yeah, you have anything you need to say?
I'm just excited for today.
Me too. She don't ever have much to say, does she?
I don't know. Sometimes I do.
Okay.
Just depends on the situation.
But yeah, I really don't have nothing to say either, so I can't really say nothing. I just wanted to come and check in and tell you about our day. I might vlog some more once we get to our destinations, but I don't know, I'm feeling, that's not what I'm trying to say. I feel kind of weird vlogging in the store. So I might not do that, but who knows? We'll see. Alright, we will talk to y'all later. Bye. We are leaving Albertsons now. We picked up some sushi from the deli. Hopefully it's good. It looks good. But we just got some avocado rolls and cucumber rolls. So not like actually sushi because we're vegetarian and we don't eat meat. So yeah. But yeah. We got some sushi and some fruit and some water. So I guess I'll check back in once we have made it to the park. Goodbye. To the trail. So we're gonna sit over there and eat. This is it. And then we got the grass and stuff back there. There's some walking trails back there. But this is perfect for what we plan to do. Our little sushis and some fruit. And we're just gonna eat and chill. So after we ate right there, we ended up finding this really beautiful park to sit at and kind of hang out. And then on this next clip here, I'll show you the other area of the park. We thought it was really beautiful, and we just sat down and kind of talked a little bit, but we didn't get a chance to end the vlog, so I'm doing it now. Thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.